Hey, this is Jeremy from Shine Insurance, and today's topic is the 3 different ways your roof could be covered if you have a hailstorm or a windstorm cause damage to it. Especially if you live in the Midwest, you know that windstorms and hailstorms happen every year. If something happens to your house, how does your insurance policy cover it? Well, let's find out. Oftentimes, insurance companies separate out wind-hail losses with different deductibles and different coverage options on an insurance policy. So what does your insurance policy have? Well, it's one of 3 things. Let's start with the worst. The number 1 worst coverage you could have is no coverage at all. On insurance policies, it is possible to exclude wind-hail damage. That means if your roof is damaged by wind or your roof is damaged by hail, that's right, you've got no coverage at all. The second type of coverage is better than no coverage at all, but still isn't as good as it gets. That type of coverage is called ACV, or actual cash value. And here's what it means. Simply put, when you have a loss, if it costs $8,000 to replace your roof, the insurance company is not going to pay that $8,000. They're going to say, well, it's going to cost $8,000 to replace your roof, but your roof is 10 years old, so we're going to subtract or depreciate the age of the roof from the amount of money we're going to pay out. That could mean it's going to cost $8,000 to fix your roof, but you only get $5,000 from the insurance company. There's a $3,000 gap there that you're going to have to cover for yourself. The third way a roof is covered in a wind or hail loss is really the best way, and that coverage is called replacement cost. Simply, it means if it's going to cost $8,000 to replace your roof, the insurance company is going to write you a check for $8,000 to get it done. So the 3 ways your roof could be covered in a wind or a hail loss are not at all, ACV, which means the replacement cost minus depreciation based on how old your roof is, or replacement cost, which means they'll pay the amount of money it's going to cost to get your roof back to the state it was in before it was damaged in the storm. So get out your insurance policy right now. What kind of wind-hail coverage do you have? Is it ACV, replacement cost, or no coverage at all? Do you have a different deductible for wind-hail loss than you do for all other perils or anything else that could happen to your house? Oftentimes they're different. So we hope you learned a little bit about roof coverage in a windstorm or a hailstorm today. If you have questions, please check in with us at shineinsurance.com. And if you like this video, please share it on the bottom of this screen. Tell others about it. Good information is only great if it's shared with others. Until the next time, have a wonderful day.